Being one of this year's critical smartphone releases, the Samsung Galaxy S8 has been profoundly well documented. Among all the praise for its Infinity Display, virtual AI assistant, and other key features, you surely must have heard about some of the following additions: remapping the Bixby Key, the new Gear virtual reality headset with controller, or still the AKG branded earphones bundled in. The dock that turns the smartphone into a PC, the updated S-Health app with the ability to call your doc, the brand new camera sensors, or rearranging the home screen icons with a single tap. But the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus have also some other great new features less documented or known. In that video, you are going to discover the top 8 hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. First, the gigabit internet. The Galaxy S8 is among the first smartphones to handle LTE speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second. This owes to Qualcomm X16 modem built into the Snapdragon 835 chipset that powers the Samsung Galaxy S8 in the US. However, such speeds are only obtained within test setting for now, at least in the USA. But the technology exists and will become the backbone of future high-speed mobile internet. Two, high saturation display. Much has been written about the Infinity Display forward-looking 18:9 aspect ratio, but it kind of flew under the radar that the Galaxy S8 boasts a deep red OLED screen. According to DisplayMate measurements, confirmed and endorsed by Samsung, the screen's color gamut measures 113% of the DCI-P3 and 142% of the sRGB color standards. The former is a cinematic default, and the latter is standard for use on monitors, printers, and the internet. What's more, the Galaxy S8 is the first smartphone to get the UHD Alliance Mobile HDR Premium certification. This is a set of performance requirements for resolution, dynamic range, color space, and bit depth as to ensure the best experience in viewing HDR content from Amazon, Netflix, and other content providers. 3. Fast wireless charging. You would be right to dismiss wireless charging as slow and cumbersome, but Samsung has actively worked to change your mind. The Galaxy S8 supports wireless charging at almost twice the speed of most key wireless chargers, 2.4A instead of 1.5A. That's still not as fast as wired charging in combination with adaptive fast charging or quick charge optimization, but it's quite workable. If you want to take advantage of that, you will need Samsung Fast Wireless Charging Stand, which is priced at $19 on Amazon. Four, customized software case and color. Samsung said goodbye to capacitive case with style. The Galaxy S8 lets you personalize the software navigation case by choosing a colorful background for them, or switching the layout between recents, home, back or back, home recents. You can also tweak the amount of pressure needed to hard press the virtual home button. Speaking of the home button, 5. Multi-frame image processing. There is even more going on behind the camera scenes compared to previous Galaxy S flagships. Samsung has worked out a neat image processing algorithm where the Galaxy S8 camera takes 3 photos instead of 1. It chooses the clearest image as baseline and uses the rest to reduce blur. This applies to all the images and happens so fast you would not be able to tell. The result is supposed to be clearer. Six, the home button is always available. Even if the home button icon is not visible on screen or the screen is off, you can still hard press in its general location and get haptic feedback indicating you have triggered the home button. This way you can easily power the S8 display, hit open apps, and glance at notifications when the phone is lying down, for example. Number 7. The battery is slower to degrade over time. Improvements in technology have allowed Samsung to increase the Galaxy S8 battery's longevity. If the Galaxy S7 maintained around 80% of effective battery capacity during a typical year of use, charging and discharging, the Galaxy S8 will hover at around 95%. Of course, touch metrics can get quite stretchy depending on how much you use your phone and how often you charge. But Samsung has clearly put in the work to make the S8 battery last substantially more in the long run. Now, if only they could think about 2-day battery life, it would be awesome. Number 8 is a one-handed control for camera app. Instead of adding a separate one-handed control mode for the camera app, Samsung straight up optimized it so that using it one-handed comes naturally. Swiping your thumb in different directions triggers shooting modes, switches between front, rear cameras, and open filter settings. Moreover, moving the on-screen shutter button to the left or right adjusts zoom. And now it's time to tell us in comments which one of these 8 hidden features of the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus do you expect the most. To discover more Android related content, don't hesitate to subscribe to the S Sorel channel.